The camera comes with original red leather back, as you can see. Very nice. You can get the camera with the back or without it, it's up to you. And in here we have something very nice, in incredible condition. Put the back to the side for the moment. And this is the Revue Cockpit S8. Simple yet very reliable camera, full metal body, perfectly working light meter, automatic manual zoom, all frame rates work very well, super clean lens as you can see, perfectly working manual zoom as you just saw, and the manual one you'll see in a second. Focus works great, the camera is in truly incredible condition. So let's test it out. We've packed it with a brand new battery holder as well, so you don't have to worry about that. And please always follow the instructions when positioning the batteries on the inside of the battery holder, otherwise the camera is not going to be working and you're going to be facing issues. Once all 4 AA batteries are in, those 2 pins, they go inwards, just like that. Slide it in, close the lid, and voila, super smoothly working as you can hear. Off, on, battery checker, unfortunately doesn't work on this one, but this doesn't affect the functionality of the camera at all. 18 frames per second, single frame, 18 frames, and automatic zoom. Okay, 18 frames per second, and it does have 48 as well here. The camera is very simple, but very reliable and perfectly working with clean lens. Light meter is very correct, which is super important. Okay, so as you all know, we always test the cameras with expert cartridges. For example, this expert cartridge, I can't even move it by hand actually. So if the motor manages to spin this expert cartridge, it will surely spin any brand new one as well. As you can see, we mark the cartridge, insert it in gently, close the lid, shoot for several seconds. As you can hear, smoothly working. Let's see what the result is. The result is no mark there anymore and straight film. The no mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin even this very hard spinning expert cartridge, and the straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together, which is extremely important for your footage. The camera is in very nice condition, perfectly working light meter, perfectly working automatic manual zoom, clean lens, perfectly working focus as well. So whoever gets the camera will be super lucky with it, and we wish a lot of great shots taken with it. Thank you for your time, and let's keep Super 8 alive!